Apple just dropped watchOS 26, and there's a lot more here than a new coat of paint. From the slick liquid glass look to hypertension alerts, sleep score, AI-powered workout buddy, and a customizable control center, these upgrades actually change how you use your watch. I'll show you what to enable first, how to use it, and what's limited to newer models. To get watchOS 26, update your iPhone to iOS 26, then open the Watch app. General pause, software update. Most headline features work on Series 9, Ultra 2, and newer, with some extras exclusive to those models. I'll call those out as we go. First, the design refresh. watchOS 26 adopts liquid glass, translucent glass-like buttons and panes that give the UI depth without clutter. You'll notice it on select faces, the Smart Stack, and Control Center. Control Center is now fully customizable. Rearrange tiles or add third-party controls. If you regret your edits, there's a one-tap reset to original. The Smart Stack got smarter. A new prediction algorithm surfaces cards when they're actually useful, and you can reorder widgets so your must-see info is always on top. Control Center. Edit. Drag to reorder. Smart Stack. Press and hold. Edit widgets. There's a new wrist flick gesture to silence incoming calls or dismiss notifications one-handed. It's perfect when you're carrying a coffee or mid-workout. Settings. Gestures. Wrist flick. Health features got serious upgrades. Hypertension notifications can alert you when your patterns suggest elevated blood pressure risk over time. Available on Series 9 and later and Ultra 2 and later. You also get sleep score, a simple number that considers duration, wake-ups, and bedtime consistency, so you can see quality at a glance and trend it over days. Watch app. Health. Hypertension notifications. Enable. Sleep. Sleep schedule on. Review sleep score in Sleep app. Meet Workout Buddy, an AI-powered coach that nudges you mid-session with friendly, actionable prompts. The Workout app interface is cleaner. Custom workout, pacer, and buddy are easier to get to. And autoplay media starts your chosen playlist or a suggested mix as soon as you hit start. No more fumbling for music with sweaty hands. Workout app. Autoplay media. Workout buddy. Choose coaching style. Messages now suggest smart actions based on context, like sharing your location or auto-filling an address. Smart replies are more relevant, saving taps. And live translation can translate incoming text to your language right on the watch. Plus, those personalized conversation backgrounds you create on iPhone now sync to your wrist. Settings. Messages. Smart actions, live translation. 2 quality of life wins. Call screening asks unknown callers for context before your watch or phone rings, and Hold Assist will wait on hold for you. Then ping your watch when a person joins. You can finally make coffee while customer support plays smooth jazz. Phone call screening on Hold Assist on. On, hold. Face fans get a buffet. Photos uses liquid glass and smartly moves the clock to fit your shot. Flow leans into the new aesthetic with a living liquid orb. Exactograph is for precision nerds. Tap to zoom into minute and second dials. Waypoint is ultra only and shows nearby points of interest at a glance. Hermes wearers get Faubourg party animations, and more faces now support 1 Hz ticking seconds on Series 10 and later. The gallery is reorganized into curated collections, way easier to browse. Calls and alerts now auto-adjust volume to your environment. Quiet at home, louder on the street. Live Listen adds a live transcript on your wrist when paired with iPhone. Great for accessibility or noisy venues. And yes, we finally get notes on Apple Watch. View, search, and create new notes without pulling out your phone. Settings. Sounds and haptics. Adaptive volume. Control center. Hearing. Live Listen. Transcript. Notes app. New note. Dictate, scribble, emoji. watchOS 26 isn't just a reskin, it's smarter, more helpful, and actually more personal. Start with Control Center, Smart Stack, and Workout Buddy, then turn on Sleep Score and Hypertension notifications if your model supports them. What's your favorite new feature and what did Apple miss? Drop a comment, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for deep dives on iOS 26 and macOS Tahoe.